So, with a considerable amount of sandpaper and filler pad and all that, we got all that off. Most of it anyway. And I don't know if that'll affect it really at all because it's pretty smooth. And those are just low spots right there. So, I think we're gonna put an edge on it. Already done this a few times. And there's other proper ways to do this, guys. Like, go send your blade off. But before I go and spend money like that, I'm gonna see if I can at least attempt to do this. This is kind of funny. Get my helper. And the helper's here now. Hi. Hi. Quit. You're still on the show, dude. It's great having a cat. It's just awesome. I don't even know if this is the right way to do this, guys. But it's the way we're using. Because I don't have a stone big enough. We're trying to get it absolutely as flat as possible. You have sheer will and determination to be in this camera. Pause for the cause. Pause, help me pause. You wouldn't believe just the sheer will this sucker has to be in my way. But so we're kind of using what we got here. Next video we're gonna make us a strop, an actual like flat deck strop on a board. I'll show you how we're gonna do that, but for now we're just doing this. I'm gonna get you a better angle here, guys. Just this is what I have to deal with, guys. Just a cat. Always in the way. Buff that back edge there. It's a pretty good mirror, at least on the edge. That's pretty sharp, guys. Let me see what I got here. Well, that's what it needs to do, is cut leather, so it's just got to do it green ways. So slap this thing on there and get a look at it. Set this up and then didn't video any of this, but I've tightened this and I put that in, and I kind of cheated a little bit and mocked all this up prior to sharpening the blade there, so everything's should be pretty well mocked up, and we can run it through. Not a long piece, just something, you know, yay long. And I got her set on that. We're going to set her about on a 4, just to see what happens here. It's not cutting right there. Okay. So I think that's got a lot to do with the angle and everything. But see if we can focus here. It's not bad. It's not tapering off on that side. I think it's just slightly tapering off on this side, maybe. I'm gonna drop down. That was at a 5. We're gonna cut it at a 3 this time. 3 ounce. There we go. Wow, that is, you can see what the back of it does, but honestly it smooths that. This is your cut right here, your cut side. So look at this piece of paper thin stuff. That honestly make great backing. Look at that. And we are, I think we did it, guys. Look at that. God, it's so soft now. It's just a bunch of cheap, I guess not cheap, but scrap. Like we did it, guys. Wow. Just the detail on these things. You can see I really scuffed it there, but I didn't honestly think it was going to do that. But hey, we can read it now. That looks kind of good. We can read that plate. We can read the back plate now. The wheels are shiny. Everything rolls nicely. Look at that. That's a beautiful piece of machinery, and I hope we get to use it a lot. So Bill is enthusiastic about it. We're gonna peel off some more stuff. Hopefully get this thing to getting used. I think that's pretty good, guys. If you liked the Landis leather splitter, thanks for watching, guys. I've already posted part 1 and part 2 of the 3-part series. It's a joy to work on, definitely a learning experience, because we're always learning. Want to enjoy this, hopefully get to use it quite a bit. If not, we refurbished it and it works perfectly, well, that I know of anyway. So if you guys like this stuff, please like and subscribe to the old channel here. We're almost at 10,000. Weirdly, I never thought we'd make it past 1,000, but we're almost at 10,000, so that's weird for me. We're gonna try to keep consistently posting like this and do our thing. Hopefully you'll see a lot more of this. If not, well, you're gonna see a lot more of it, maybe in shorts. So look out for those, and look out for more stuff. So we'll see y'all on the next one. Thanks, everybody. Perfect.